Hi, I'm Dr. Lana Dalba. I am an orthodontist and orofacial pain specialist. I am creating this series of videos to explain the TMD pain and health, mainly after the many questions I received about people complaining about TMD symptoms in this period we are living in. It seems that the amount of anxiety and stress has increased, and this led to increase in the amount of clenching and bruxism, and accordingly more symptoms of TMJ pain, ear pain, and headache, and so on. So I am creating this series to help you, wherever you are in this world, to calm down your symptoms until your dentist is available and able to see you again, to examine you properly and give you the proper diagnosis. And I am going to give you my own experience, not only as an orofacial pain specialist, but also as a TMD patient myself. I suffered from TMD for many years, and throughout that journey, I learned a lot about what works and what doesn't work in terms of practices and habits that we can be doing, and it's harming our TMD. But I want you to know that when it comes to TMD and orofacial pain, the equation is not 1 + 1 = 2 like we have in normal dentistry. In normal dentistry, when we do a filling or a root canal, we are positive in more than 95% that our treatment will work. But when it comes to TMD, because of the multifactorial nature of this condition and the psychological factors that accompany this situation, we are not sure that our treatments will work. So you need to be patient with us, and you need to try different modalities of treatment and not give up, because whatever works for someone will not necessarily work for someone else. So you need to be open to this idea and to be very positive psychologically, which is a very major factor when it comes to TMD, as we will discuss in some details later on. I am going to make this series in some form of details, but not in a lot of details like I usually do when I teach TMD courses to my students or to doctors around. This series is not only good for TMD patients, but for anybody who would like to learn more about TMJ and how to keep it healthy. I would suggest that you follow the order of the series, because every episode will rely on information from the previous episode. I really hope you find this series useful.